My name is Asan Hidayat, son-in-law of famous actor and comedian Adil Mijit. Adil Mijit has gone missing for the past 8.5 months into China's vast network of concentration camps. We have absolutely no idea where he is. He loyally worked for the Chinese Communist Party for almost 35 years. And the last time that we saw him was when he actually came to Istanbul in 2017 for the Ramadan festivities. We begged him to stay, and he left knowing that he too could be put in those camps. I promised myself and my family that if a single family member of ours were to end up in these camps, that we would do everything in our power to get him out. We would like to see human rights be made the top priority in world